calling from Mannar. I have a small problem.
Tell me, sir. I can help you.
Yeah, help me. The problem is when I come to town.
Okay.
Last evening, because Mannar town day is in the evening. What happened is I lost my phone, my purse, my identity card, all. Hello?
Hello?
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Now I want my phone.
First of all, sir, you have to disconnect your line, sir.
Huh?
First of all,
Huh?
you will have to disconnect your line.
Disconnect what line?
No,
I want my phone, not line. What are you talking?
but sir, now if the phone is lost, sir, like we are unable to do anything about it, sir, because now it's
Do anything, this dialogue phone, dialogue SIM, you tell everything, now you say you can't do anything.
No, dialogue SIM, sir, what we can do is, we can disconnect the SIM, disconnect the line first.
Then phone?
Have you made an insurance of the phone?
Insurance, I have life insurance.
No, phone insurance.
Phone insurance, what phone insurance?
There's a phone insurance.
Where?
If you're having in dialogue, you have a phone insurance with Jana Shakti. If you lose your phone, then only you can get a new phone if you're having a phone insurance, sir.
No, my phone is Nokia.
Okay.
Now what insurance?
No, if you're having a phone insurance.
No, you don't understand my problem. Hello?
Hello, it's like this, sir. If your phone is lost, we can only disconnect the line, sir. Other than that, we are unable to find the phone.
So, my God, my phone, you don't know, very expensive phone, no?
Yes, I understand, but then again, we are unable to do anything. If you are not having a phone insurance with you, if the phone is lost, what we can do is we can only disconnect the line, sir.
No, don't disconnect, huh? You know, don't disconnect.
Okay.
Because I have lot of call coming, no? Dubai and all, call coming, no?
Okay.
So, disconnect, my problem, no?
Now, since your phone is lost, you don't want to disconnect the line?
No, I want my line.
Fine, but since you are not having the phone, you are not getting calls now.
So, that is why, how can I take my phone and line?
No, since when your phone is lost, sir, we are unable to do anything about the phone. What we can do is, if you want, we can disconnect the line.
No, I don't want to disconnect the line.
Okay, then we are unable to do anything about this, sir.
Why you can't tell like that? You can't do anything. My phone.
We are unable to find the phone, sir. Because since it's lost, if you are having a phone insurance.
So you know, one people came selling phone at Mannar and they said, if your phone lost, dialogue can find. Now you tell you can't.
So we are unable to do something like that. Can you please be online, sir?
What line?
Can you be online?
Between your heart and mine, the smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me.
Hello?
Hello.
Thank you for being on hold, sir. I checked.
Long time no. Now calling dialogue very problem. Calling, waiting now. What is this? Tell me.
I checked, sir, but we are unable to do anything about the phone. What we can do is, if you want, sir, if somebody is taking calls from your line, what we can do is we can disconnect the line only. Other than that, we are unable to find the phone, sir.
No, I want to the phone take. I want to SIM.
Okay, SIM, what we can do is we can block the SIM.
No, don't block the SIM. I want SIM, appa.
But sir, we are unable to give you a new SIM without...
You can't understand, no. I want to take a SIM, appa. Ayyo. Kadavule.
Okay, if you want to get a new SIM, sir, you can get a new SIM. Or else, if you want...
that is I'm telling you all time, huh? You can't understand. Okay, where I want to take SIM.
Yes, sir, sure. You can take a SIM.
There.
The new connection is 800 rupees.
No. I want same number.
Okay, same number, sure, sir. You can take the same number.
How much?
300 rupees, sir.
Why 300?
if your SIM is lost, if you want to take a new SIM, you have to pay that amount and get the SIM, sir.
Hello.
Hello?
No, new SIM also 400, no.
No, sir, 300 rupees.
No, new SIM, dialogue, new number,
No,
SIM 400.
No, sir, new SIM is 800 rupees.
You telling me 400, Mannar, you come here, I'll buy and give you.
Because in here, Colombo, it's 800 rupees.
No,
Only promotional times, it might change the amount.
not promotion, SIM I'm talking.
Yeah, SIM is 800 rupees. So you can go to any outlet.
No, every day 400. I buy for 400.
But if you want to, you can come to Colombo and see it's 800 rupees, sir.
From Mannar to Colombo, bus ticket is 1000 rupees. Why should I come there?
No, what I'm telling you is that it's 800 rupees, so not 400.
No, I'm telling you 400. Huh?
But it can't be, sir. It's any, I don't know about
You
Mannar.
do this. You don't know about Mannar. You come to Mannar, I'll buy you SIM for 400. I can't come to Colombo.
Because it's 800 over here, sir.
No, it is 400. No, yeah, I want my SIM. Where can I buy?
You can buy it at any outlet, sir. But you have to make 300.
Any outlet? Where any outlet? Any outlet now?
Sir.
Yeah?
Any dialogue outlet, sir.
Yeah, here we only have reload shop. In Mannar, where can I buy my SIM? Hello?
It's at this now. In Mannaram, we don't have one. We have the nearest one. We have one at Batiklo.
Batiklo can't go. My God, it's too much problem dear. I can't go. Where in another place?
We have Batiklo, Trinco, Jaffna.
Trinco Jaffna?
Yes, sir.
Trinco Jaffna?
We have in Trinco, in Jaffna, in Batiklo.
My dear, I went to Jaffna branch closed. Trinco branch I went closed. How you are telling me it's open? It's closed now.
But you can get it from communications, sir.
Can I take my same number from communication?
You can give them a request because they are dealers. What they can do is you can get the same number. What they do is they get your request and everything. They forward it to the head office. Then they give you the same number, sir.
Dealer can do, huh?
Yes, sir.
What dealer name? Any?
No, there's a lot, sir. You want Trinco or Jaffna?
Mannar.
No, Mannaram we don't have, sir.
Okay. Trinco.
Okay. We have the phone shop in Trinco. I'll give you the contact number.
Okay.
026
Hmm.
222 45 53.
Name?
It's the phone shop. So that's the name of the shop.
No, name. Shop name.
The phone shop.
The phone. Right, okay. Small mistake. Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Calling dialogue.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Okay.